Do you often find yourself wondering if there's a way to reconnect with your ex? The good news is, there are. Here are 5 proven strategies to help you rebuild that lost connection. First, focus on self-improvement. Whether it's picking up a new hobby, hitting the gym, or learning a new skill, showing that you're growing and evolving can be incredibly attractive. Second, initiate casual contact. A simple, nonchalant message like, "Hey, remember when we..." can reignite memories without coming on too strong. Third, show genuine interest in their life. Ask how they've been, what's new with them, and listen attentively. Demonstrating empathy and understanding can bridge gaps. Fourth, give them space when needed. Balance is key. Don't overwhelm them with constant messages. Let them miss you a bit. Fifth, suggest a low-pressure meetup. A casual coffee or a walk in the park can provide a relaxed setting to reconnect. Remember, patience and consistency are crucial. Rebuilding a relationship takes time, but following these steps can set you on the right path to rekindle the flame. So, focus on self-growth, stay genuinely interested, and take things slow. You've got this.